How does ChatGPT work? It feels like magic, a machine that can write, chat, even solve problems like a human. But it's not magic. It's math, data, and years of artificial intelligence research. ChatGPT is a large language model built by OpenAI. It generates human-like text by predicting the next word in a sentence based on patterns learned from massive amounts of text. It doesn't think or know like a human. It calculates probabilities and sequences, word by word. The journey began with GPT-1 in 2018, a model with 117 million parameters. GPT-2 in 2019 scaled up to 1.5 billion parameters, producing paragraphs that felt surprisingly coherent. GPT-3 arrived in 2020 with 175 billion parameters, capable of long-form answers, stories, and even coding. ChatGPT fine-tuned these models with reinforcement learning from human feedback, making responses safer, more accurate, and aligned with user intent. At its core is a transformer neural network, millions of artificial neurons connected in layers. Each neuron has weights that adjust during training. The model processes input text, calculates probabilities for each next word, and generates responses one word at a time. Key components include the attention mechanism, which focuses on important words to provide context, stacked layers that capture meaning from grammar to abstract ideas, and trillions of parameters encoding language patterns. Training happens in stages. First, pre-training, reading billions of words to learn general language patterns. Next, fine-tuning. Human feedback teaches it which responses are helpful, safe, and relevant. Finally, deployment. It predicts, calculates, and responds in real time to your prompts. Every time you interact with ChatGPT, your input runs through billions of computations across all layers. It doesn't understand, feel, or think, but it mimics reasoning, style, and knowledge so convincingly that it feels human. Over time, models have improved. Better architectures, more parameters, and more refined training methods make each generation faster, safer, and more accurate. From GPT-1 to GPT-4, the AI has gone from producing simple sentences to generating complex, context-aware, and creative responses. ChatGPT isn't conscious. It doesn't know your thoughts. It's a machine trained on patterns of human language, yet somehow it mirrors our communications so convincingly that we forget it's just math. It's not just a chatbot. It's a glimpse into what's possible when data, computation, and probability collide, and a window into the future of AI.